How to fix a frozen iPhone 14. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In this video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually fix a frozen iPhone 14. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fix a frozen iPhone 14, which means that if your iPhone is not turning on, or maybe it's just stuck on one same screen over and over, you want to try to fix it and then restart it. And what you can do in that case? So the first thing you can try to do is simply try to plug in your phone, because in most of the cases plugging in your phone will also help you actually fix a frozen iPhone. The other thing you can do is just try to press the power button and then see if that actually solves the problem. Press the power button, turn it off like this, and then just go ahead and then unlock it with your Face ID or your password or whatever else. Then once you've done that, basically the other things that you can also do inside of it is to simply try to force shut it down. To force shut it down, just press the volume down buttons as well as the power buttons at the same time simultaneously, just like this. And as you do that, you can just slide to power off. I just recommend it, just slide to power off like this, and then your iPhone is going to be turned off automatically. Then now after it's been powered off, you can go ahead and just turn it on back again just by pressing the same buttons, just like this. And that is it for this video. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.